This is Ian from In 30 Minutes, and I'm going to show you the quick way to save a lot of money on your Adobe subscription. And you can see right here I'm paying $10.61 per month for my Adobe Acrobat Pro subscription, and that's billed on an annual basis. I just got to notice that they're jacking up the fee. You can see right here it's going to be $20 per month. So it's increasing nearly 100%, like 90% or something like that. And this is how to really save some money. And basically what you have to do, click the Manage Plan button, and then what you're going to do is cancel your plan. Now, I've done this in the past, and they're basically going to try to keep me there. So let's see if they'll do it by offering me an offer I can't refuse. Okay, so usually what they do is they tell you, you're not going to be able to do these things anymore. I'm going to say continue. And then then you can see here, keep your Adobe Pro and save. And they're going to give me a discount for $9, basically cutting in half the price that I would otherwise pay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my plan to the cheaper version of the plan and save a lot of money. And I've found that you can do this with many types of services besides Adobe, including things like QuickBooks and stuff like that. So give it a shot, basically threaten to leave, and more often than not, they'll beg you to come back with a cheaper rate.